You can convert open outlines or enclosed shape outlines to crystals by first selecting the object and then clicking on the crystal icon in the Outline tab of Object Properties. Once the crystals are applied, there are several ways to edit the crystals. All of the crystals of the object must be the same color and size unless the object is separated to crystals. In the last video, altering the palette, size, and color of the crystals was covered, and this was done in Tool Options. When you change an outline shape or a line to crystals, the editing is done in Object Properties. And you can see in Object Properties, you can choose the different sizes, you can choose the palette, and you can choose the colors. Remember, choosing the correct size of the crystals that you plan to use is important. Otherwise, the crystals might be too large for the holes that are cut in the template. Or if they are too small, there will be too much shifting. In addition to changing the palette, size, and color, you can also change the offset and spacing. The offset is the minimum distance between the outline and the center of the crystal. It influences how far the crystals are from the drawn vector shape, whether it is an outline or a fill. A positive value will place the crystals beyond the line, and a negative value will place the crystals inside the object. The range is from -15 to 15 millimeters. At 0 offset, the center of the crystal is right on the object outline. The spacing of crystals can also be edited. The default spacing will vary with the size of the crystal selected. The spacing specifies the distance between the outlines of the crystals. The spacing of crystal fills will be covered in videos on crystal fill types. In the View menu, you always want to have overlapping crystals checked so that you know if the crystals are too close together. If the spacing is too close, a yellow X will appear on the crystals, and the crystals overlap. You will see a red X appear on the crystals. By adjusting a combination of the size, the offset, and the spacing, you can change the crystal arrangement so that the red X's disappear.